Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, he's taking a closer look at a gadget that promises to revolutionize how one shares content from their mobile devices to a bigger screen. The SmartSee Anycast HDMI wireless display adapter. This little dongle is designed to cut the cords and bring seamless screen mirroring right to a TV or projector, making it incredibly convenient for a variety of uses. The SmartSee Anycast is a compact device that plugs directly into an HDMI port, drawing power from a standard USB connection, which can often be found right on the TV itself. What immediately stands out is its universal compatibility. Whether someone is an iPhone user, an Android enthusiast, or works with a Mac or other iOS devices, this adapter has them covered. It supports Miracast, AirPlay, and DLNA protocols, which essentially means it speaks the language of almost every modern smartphone, tablet, and laptop when it comes to wireless display. This broad support eliminates the headache of checking compatibility charts, making it a truly versatile solution for any household or office. Setting up the SmartSee Anycast is surprisingly straightforward. Once plugged in, it creates its own Wi-Fi network, which a user connects their device to. From there, it's usually just a matter of selecting the screen mirroring or cast option on their phone or computer, and within moments, their mobile screen is replicated in crisp 1080p resolution on the larger display. The clarity and responsiveness are impressive for a wireless solution, ensuring that videos, photos, presentations, and even casual mobile games look great without noticeable lag. Imagine sharing vacation photos with family on the big screen, giving a professional presentation without fumbling with cables, or simply enjoying a movie streamed from a phone directly to the living room TV. The SmartSee Anycast makes all these scenarios effortlessly achievable. It's not just about entertainment. For those who need to project documents or spreadsheets from their phone during a meeting, this adapter provides a quick and reliable way to do so. The freedom from physical connections means one can move around the room with their device, maintaining control over the content being displayed. While wireless display adapters can sometimes be finicky, the SmartSee Anycast aims for a smooth and stable connection. Its dedicated Wi-Fi ensures a more direct link between the device and the adapter, minimizing interference. For anyone looking to upgrade their home entertainment setup or streamline their professional presentations, this wireless display adapter offers a compelling and cost-effective solution. It truly bridges the gap between small screens and large displays, making content sharing more accessible and enjoyable for everyone. It's a smart addition to any tech arsenal, simplifying the way one interacts with their digital content across different screens.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.